At Reactivate Muskoka, one of the things that we do is biomechanical analyses during the running cycle. We look at specific markers that look at stability throughout the entire body system, and this includes looking at people as they run in the front plane and in the side plane, looking for ways of abnormal loading patterns, looking at inefficiencies, looking at differences from side to side. And so when we look at the various parts of the body that tell us what's going on one side of the body versus the other, and then we can always compare it to what's happening on the opposing side of the body. Then we get a good sense of what's happening with people when they run, to see what kind of deficiencies exist and how we can improve them. We are able to watch them in real time. We can slow them down and see what happens with the angles of their body and what muscle groups to target best in order to improve the mechanical dysfunctions and dysfunctional movement patterns that exist in order to get people aligned, reduce the forces that go through the joint in abnormal patterns, as well as reduce the speed at which those abnormal forces pass through the various joints. Now, this video exemplifies only running, but we do this for pitching, for baseball, we do it for golf, we do it for swimming. So there's no limits to the way we can look at people to find the root cause of what is actually going on with the mechanics of their body. The body is no different than a car in the sense that it has many moving parts that interact together in order to produce a common movement forward, backward, or side to side. And in order to do so, there has to be coordinated muscle contraction patterns and neurologic pathways that function all together in order to make sure that movements are smooth and result in less wear and tear and overuse in the body over time.